Jason, who cares? Look at the big iguana right there at the class.
Yeah, that's the biggest iguana I ever seen.
That's a real big one.
Yeah, that is. He turned me out.
He's crying too.
What is it? Hey, wanna look at? Do you wanna look at the snake? Wanna look at the snake? Wanna look at the snake?
No.
Hey, look at the snake.
Look at the size of his face.
Yeah, look at the snake, Papa.
It's a viper.
Yee, they're poison.
Yay! Yeah, vipers are poison. Hey, look at. Look at.
What?
Look at those.
That's a tamarin. Or tamarin. How do you say it?
Daddy!
Sorry, Jason.
Okay. Hey, look at, there's the porcupine again.
Yeah.
That's nice. Oh, Papa.
God,
That's
you
an
snakes.
iguana.
Look at how gross it is. It's like
Hey,
its nose
look
turned
at